Everyone, today we're looking at the Frizzlife MD40 electric water filter dispenser. It's a compact countertop filter that's fast, portable, and rechargeable. Let's see how it works and if it's worth it for your home. Out of the box, it looks sleek and modern. It's about 7 by 7 by 10 inches. It fits easily on a kitchen counter without taking up too much space. It's BPA free and comes with 2 filters and a cleaning brush and a USB Type-C charging cable. What makes this interesting is the dual filtration system. It filters down to 0.3 microns. That means it removes 99% of lead, chlorine, and even PFAS. But it also keeps healthy minerals in your water. So you get clean water that still tastes natural. Let's try it out here in the kitchen. I poured some tap water in the top tank. Now press the button and right away, fresh filtered water. No waiting, no dripping. It's about 5 times faster than a standard gravity pitcher. The MD40 runs on a rechargeable battery. It has 4,500 milliamp battery inside. That lasts about a month on a single charge. You can also charge it quickly with a USB Type-C. And because it's cordless, you can take it anywhere. Good. Let me bring it upstairs to my daughter's room. Even here, away from the kitchen, I can still pour a clean glass of water. That's the benefit of it being portable. It's great for bedrooms, offices, and even outdoors. Maintenance and costs are great too. Each filter lasts about 6 months or around 400 gallons. Replacing them works out to be about 17 cents per day. Much cheaper than buying bottled water and better for the environment too. There's also a smart alert that tells you when the filter needs changing. To take the filters out and replace them, all you have to do is simply unscrew them counterclockwise to come out and then clockwise to go back in. They're very easy to install. Simply place the cap back on, the lid back on the machine. Everything comes out to easily maintain and clean. This machine is very convenient. I love it. This tank can also hold 18 cups of water. Pros and cons. Here's what I like. It's fast, rechargeable, portable, and very easy to use. It also has a clear reminder when it's time for new filters. A few things to note. Replacement filters do add to the cost over time. The battery needs to be charged every few weeks, and it's not as strong as a full reverse osmosis system. So overall, final thoughts, I think the Frizzlife MD40 is a great choice. If you want clean water quickly and the option to move it around your house, this is perfect. It's especially good for families and kids' rooms. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.